Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Abib Ahmed. So, first আমি তোমাদেরকে সবাইকে বলতে চাই হ্যাপি হ্যালোউইন। এন্ড আজকে আমি তোমাদেরকে একটা হ্যালোউইনে মেকআপ টিউটোরিয়াল নিয়ে এসেছি। So, let's get started. I will be a cat. আমি একটা cat হব, scary cat. So, let's get started. So here I have mini makeups over here. So first I will give a foundation. A foundation. Nice, it has fall more the foundation. So no problem, I will use because like the cat looks very white. So I already started the makeup. So my today's lipstick color is red. So it will be super red. So foundation done, guys. I'm also mixing with this one. So next I will give a face powder. Next I will do eyes. I have many eyeshadows. So I will give golden. I saw the cat to give like golden type thing. So I'm using this brush. I will also use some black. Okay, so from It's just Halloween party. That's why I'm giving black up. Okay. Okay, done. Now we will give uh golden shade. So I can also skip black color for very scary for very spooky. That's why I gave it for it to be very spooky. Next, again black color, same thing. I will repeat. Okay, from here we'll take a black eyeshadow by okay. So next is same. Done. Okay, so then repeat again the same. This provide ID. Okay, so I will repeat the same thing again and again. So, okay, so next I will give mascara too. It's oops. Okay, so now next I will go for contouring. This is my contouring and this brand is Love Island. Okay, so next I will give contour to the nose like that. So same I will repeat from the down. So if I go from down, down. So I will go from further second. Okay. So next, okay, for the same way I just go. So next I will give in the chin like that. Also in the chin. Okay.
Pretty. Look, fat. D'accord? Pretty. D'accord? Great. এরকম করো দেখি
So I will give some blush on today. So I will give pink color. You can also do many colors. I'm doing pink. Now I will give some lipstick. So that will be. So first I will do my cookie cream. I will use a brush for do it. So first I will take some lipstick and draw a blood. I will draw a blood for the Halloween makeup. So I can do with any red lipstick. It's really easy to do it. So one line is go like that, okay, no problem. So I will do in my lips now. Okay, so yeah. Okay. So I will draw a cat kitty face down with the same brush. I'm doing the kitty with black first little nose for the kitty nose done. And now let's give so I'm trying to be kitty, but I don't know how to do that like that. But I'm just trying. Okay, so now I'm a kitty for the Halloween. So you can also do a strip like you have cut your face. Wait, no problem. Just give a foundation like that. Foundation. So now I will use black colored a black colored color from the eyeshadow. So then I will draw the line. Okay. I have drawn a big line that I have cut very much in that side. That's why it cut excess. So for the excess now. So now I'm just making a strip with this. Guys, look! Now I will eat. Okay, now I will eat blood. This is blood. Guys, actually, this is not a blood. This is a juice, strawberry juice. Okay, so if you like this kitty, please comment me if you like this kitty. Cause I just tried to be a Halloween kitty, like this got the blood and this got the cat and have a kitty. So if you like this video, please give like, share, comment, and subscribe. And still, how I'm looking, very spooky. How spooky I am looking. So yeah, Allah Hafiz. And Allah Hafiz. And if you like this video, please give like, share, comment, and subscribe. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye everyone. See you in next video.